Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
You know, Rata agrees to everything that Baloyi says, ne? To a point where I'm just like, guys, with 55 years experience, like he's always telling us. There is a YouTuber that cracks me up, here in South Africa. He's always saying, dumb cop. I'm just like, Urata is not even a dumb cop, uvumela nje ukuthi adlale uBaloyi. Unless he's in it as well, you know? Guys, Baloyi has gone too far. No Brigadier Kininda, guys. Their storytelling is like so crazy. I'm just like, and things are closing in. And things are not going to end well. And that has been my line for the past at least 2 years ago. Since 2024, I'm guessing it's not going to end well. This case, people are going to be arrested, guys. Because as it is now, uSifiso Meyo, who's on top of them. Umkaya wampela uSenzo Meyo, kuyazadlala nalabantu. As uBaloyi, guys, you remember I told you about the march, ne? The meeting was on the 18th. I even said also, if the meeting is on the 18th, I will let you know. The march is next month in May. Abantu bazoboshwa, guys. And uSifiso Meyiwa is just like, yabo abantu engiphezu kwabo, uBaloyi, Brigadier Kininda, uJudge Ratha. Ngibhizi nje nalo labo bantu. Because all these people are accused. Those people did not unalive my brother. At the end of the day, whatever we think or whatever we do, that's exactly what's going on though. Hey guys, Palestine ngasho ukuthi mina ke. You understand? It's not me who said that. Ukuthi ene uChico ubhizi lokele protector lelipara lakhe lengane. I'm just like, as a bayakhuluma, guys. They like, please. When loku protector nalomntana akho loku busy, I know he is a sound engineer, but I'm just like, you know what, I'm done. But now Chico, guys, or even him, the stuff that he used to say about the defense. I saw all sorts of things about the defense. It wasn't nice. It wasn't right, those things, guys, of gaslighting people. Abantu babukele pants when you know nothing about them, when they are at work. Those people trying to get justice for Senzo Meyiwa and trying to help those 5 guys find justice. They did not even analyze Senzo Meyiwa. Untanzi has been saying the one and the same line. Hey, ngangingekho lapho Baloyi. Bonke labantu bakho Brigadier Kininda amaphoyisa amakhulu banamanga. Yabona uBaloyi no Ratha are in so much trouble. Ngalama confessions, and uRatha tried to warn uBaloyi ukuthi indoda yabo like emona nje. Ukubona leyo nto when someone is trying to warn you but they're not necessarily going to say it in court. Bekuyinto kanjalo. Kodwa uBaloyi continued to read that whole kwashi yakhe, and Untanzi kept on denying everything. It's not even about denying, guys. It's that whole thing yoguti, like I've been saying, yoguti. Untanzi is telling his story, and Untanzi has told his story already. He's just like, Yabana, these confessions, I'm not going to back down. All I'm saying is that's not me. I didn't come to kill his house. I did like Makumalo's house basically as Pasashopo. I never arrived there. Angazana labantu ngitshela ngaba, we went to eat. The following day, they wanted to give me 45,000. After they gave me 15,000 initially, ngingena mhlambe we. Khona some stage where wathi mhlambe ngingenaphi. Umntanzi, when they're asking questions, it's just like, guy, bro, please just leave me alone. uBaloyi. And uBaloyi continues to read those confessions zakhe ezibhalwe storyteller uBrigadier Bongani Kininda.
Khona phakathi kwakhe uSenzo Meyiwa kanye-ke noyedwa-ke kulabo ababili abangena ulo owayenama dreadlocks futhi ke ehlomile.
Wena ngangengekho lapho, nangazi lutho.
I was not there. I know nothing.
During this intense scuffle, Senzo took a chair and hit Carlos with it.
Kukona-ke lokho kulisana-ke kwakukhona ke uSenzo wathatha isitulo washaya uCarlos ngaso.
Angikwazi lokho Nkosi enkantolo.
I don't know about that, my lord.
Futhi ngangengekho nokubakho lapho.
And I was not even there.
It appeared as if he wanted to prevent Carlos from taking whatever he wanted to take
We still proceed.
from whatever he was
Opening.
opening.
Kwakubukeka ingathi ke wayezama ukuthi avimbe uCarlos kuloko ukuthatha lokho noma yini leyo awayefisa noma efuna ukuthi ayithathe.
Kelly Kumalo was the one who directed Carlos where the thing was which he wanted to take.
uKelly Khumalo kwakuyena owayetshela uCarlos ukuthi yayikuphi nendawo leyo nto leyo awayefuna ukuyithatha.
Nkosi enkantolo angikwazi mina.
My lord, I don't know about that.
During the scuffle, Carlos fired 2 shots.
Nkosi enkantolo kokusho mangena kusho ngotanzi.
My lord, that was said by Mangena and not by Ntanzi.
Ngoba mina ngibhalanga statement futhi angikwazi lokho ongifundela khona.
Because I did not write a statement and I know nothing about what you are reading out to me.
Kusho bona mina ngazi lutho.
That's what they said, I know nothing.
Futhi angizange ngibe ingxenye yalo party leyo.
And I was not a part of that.
I got a total of about 45,000 rand.
Ihlangene noma iyonke imali engayithola kwaba u45,000 rand.
Angikwazi lokho Nkosi enkantolo.
I don't know about that, my lord.
This includes the initial 15,000 rand.
Lokhu kuhlanganisa ke no 15,000 rand engamthola qala.
Angikwazi lokho Nkosi.
I don't know about that, my lord.
I then got in a taxi back to Carltonville,
Ngase ngigibela ke itekisi ukubuyela eCarltonville.
Stanley.
Kwadingeka ke ukuthi ke ndishintshe ke inamba yami yocingo emakhalekhukhwini nanjengoba babexhumana nami njalo bengisabisa.
Angikwazi lokho Nkosi enkantolo.
I don't know about that, my lord.
One other year, Wabeni Sfiso called to me and asked me if I was going to come to his hometown.
Ngomunye unyaka ukwabini Sifiso wangishayela ucingo wangibuza ukuthi ngangizoza yini ekhaya kuyibo.
Angikwazi lokho Nkosi enkantolo.
I don't know about that, my lord.
You do know a person called Wabeni. You said he's your friend.
Uyamazi umuntu obizwa uGwabeni ushilo uthe umngani wakho.
Ugwabeni ngiyamazi manje la kubhale K ubhala ngigwabeni.
That you are the source of this confession statement that was made to his premier, the magistrate at Wolfsburg, on the 24th of June, 2020.
Siyakutshela ke siyakusho kuwena ke ukuthi ke lokhu okubhaliwe lana sona ke statement lesi sokugonyuluka phambi kwayo imantshi uMiss Vivian Cronje ngazo i24 kuJune 2020 enkantolo yaseBoksburg ukuthi bakuphuma kuwena noma wena owamtshela lokho.
Akulona iqiniso Nkosi enkantolo.
That's not true, my lord.
Azange ngibhale statement Nkosi enkantolo.
I never wrote a statement, my lord.
Showed you an extract of the occurrence book.
Sakubonisa ke lapha iphepha ke noma ke icopy
SS.
iphepha ke lakhishi noma ke icopy yencwadi yase Pretoria Mood.
But you then indicated that you want to see the original entry.
Wena ke ukhonjiswe amaphepha la umshushisa waphethe wase uthi wena ufisa ukubona incwadi yona uqobo lwayo.
Nkosi enkantolo angisho kanjalo akalungise akaqala alungise inkulumo lapha phambi ukuthi angisho ukuthi ngifuna ukubona incwadi ngithe mina uma kuyikuthi uGininda wafika kimi ePolice Station ngibonisa incwadi lapha abhale khona njengobrakadini
First, let's rectify this. I never said that I want to see the original book. I said if it is that Ninda came to see me there as he claimed, then I need to see something where he noted that he went to see me as a brigadier.
Njengale ncwadi le kuthiwa ngavakashelwa yilawyer police station ngathi ngicela ukubona kwayona lapho kubhalwe khona.
Just like the book where it was alleged that a lawyer came to see me at the police station, I then requested to see that where he wrote.
Iyona into engicele phambi kwecourt le.
That's what I requested before the court.
Yes, just to remind you, you said the name Bongani Ntanzi is written in a handwriting that differs from the rest of the handwriting, and you would like to see the original entry.
Uzokhumbula ke izolo kulamaphepha ke obuwanikeziwe washo wathi ke lamaphepha lana kuyabonakala ukuthi ke yicopy kwakunala khona kubhalwe khona igama lakho wathi igama lakho libhalwe ngesandla manje ucela ukubona incwadi uqobo ioriginal ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi incwadi lena amaphepha lawana icopy kodwa lana kubhalwe ngesandla.
Yeah, ngoba imibhalo yakhona ayifani.
Yes, because the handwriting was different.
Yes, we're going to read the entry again and hand you the original.
Sizokufundela ke bese sikunikeza ke incwadi uqobo lwayo.
Entry 1661 at 1500 hours on the 22nd of June 2020 says prisoner Sergeant Mukhani from National Court Case Unit of Pretoria handed one male Bongani Sanison Ntanzi cooking cask 118/6/2020 possession of unlicensed ammunition, gives the SAP as the cell register number 108/6/2020, as well as the written notice number 14A/50947284. It says Bongani Ntanzi without any visible injuries, he confirmed, and it says handed correctly, countersigned by Sergeant Mukhani. May we show
as the court please. My Lord, I'm here before court. Every morning I say, my Lord, I confirm that I represent Mr. Ntanzi. This procedure now that is happening here, that Advocate Baloyi takes an original of an occurrence book from Mort and hands it to Mr. Ntanzi to confirm something without me having taken instructions. I've never heard of that procedure before.
Yeah, maybe he should show you, but the person who requested that was Mr. Ntanzi himself. But you've got to show it's also to Mr. Ramsey.
yes, but Mr. Ntanzi is under cross-examination.
Yeah, I know that.
Mr. Ramsey cannot take instructions.
We know that, but just show him.
Out of
so that he gets through this.
Can we then take the normal shoulder journey?